Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. In this video I'm going to do something a little bit different. My son and I had a lot of fun making this video, so I might continue doing it because I want him to get involved with video production, editing, etc. You can go to the Ford website and download source media like B-roll footage or commercials and edit and play around with them or add your own music and sound effects. By the way, you can check out the link in the description below for the Ford website so you can see the video in its raw form. So the Ford Lightning is an electric truck, but I thought it would be pretty cool to hear what it would sound like if it had a revving gas engine in it. So that's what I did in this video. I downloaded the video file and edited, split it up, moved things around, added music, added sound effects. So everything you see except the visuals are done by me. I'm not sponsored by Ford. I'm not being paid to do this by Ford at all. So I hope you like the commercial I made. Enjoy.